To remove the back tire, you're gonna have to start with the back brake, and you'll have to shove a screwdriver in there and jam it in there to decompress the caliper. Once that's all, you're able to wiggle it a bit, you can pull that up. You have to take these two screws out, and then that'll pop right off. But we'll just keep it on there for now because I don't want the wire hanging down and get some kinks. And the next thing you got to do is loosen these up so it's not keeping it in place. And there should be a pin through here. If there's not, I would recommend getting one. It's just one of these clips was jammed in there, and this one was pretty hard to get started, but should come loose. And this was 19 millimeters, I believe. And then just crank on that. You might have to hold it on this side to get it out. So don't lose that. Hit it out with a hammer. Make sure to not lose anything. Pull it out on the other side. Get some light over here. Might need two hands for this. There we go. Get the chain out of the way. Put that off. Let's do the opposite side of the sprocket. Okay. Put it off to the side here, and it should roll back straight. Just make sure everything is off of the brake pad there. Yeah, and it should come right out. This is an older Kawasaki Ltd, so you may have this little thing here, which just, oops, pad fell out, which just goes on like that. I had to take a screw out right there. That might be causing you trouble if you can't get it off. Just make sure everything's disconnected. And then your tire's off.